Namaste students, topic for today's lecture is legislation. What do you mean by legislation? Legislation means the authority who has the right to make the laws. Legislation means the preparing and enacting of laws by local, state or national legislature, right? It is also sometimes used to apply to municipal ordinance and to the rules and regulations of administrative agencies which has been passed in the exercise of delegated legislation functions, right? Legislation involves not only actions by a legislative body but also participation by the executive. Concurrence by the executive is required to make legislation effective except where the exercise of veto power is overridden by a sufficient majority of each house of the legislature. Moreover, the role of the executive involves far more than mere dissent. As the principal officer of the state and as a political leader, the executive participates extensively in the formulation of governmental policy and often in the actual preparation of the legislation. In the United States, the subjects of legislation is complicated by the federal character of the country. Each state possesses law-making power effective within its boundaries, right? The national government, within the scope of its constitutional powers, may pass legislation effective throughout the whole nation. Thus, conflicts may arise between a state and the national government. These conflicts are resolved by the courts, the constitution treaties, and the laws of the United States are the supreme laws of the land, and the state statutes passed in the contravention of them are unenforceable. Both state and federal courts are obliged to refuse to enforce a state statute contravening federal constitutional or statutory law. Furthermore, the Supreme Court of the US may review state legislation and decide whether or not it conflicts the Constitution of the United States or with the legislation passed by the Congress. The Supreme Court of the United States is the final arbiter with respect to the federal legislation and as to the state laws insofar as their conflict with federal power is concerned. Then, the court has the power not only to determine the constitutionality of the legislation but also to decide what legislation means and how it fits into the whole structure of the law. The legislation in some states changes the common law rules, though the interpretation of such legislation, the courts often may either restrict or extend its application. Thus, in a very real sense, the courts may be regarded as a part of a legislative process. Thank you.